bought herself a nice 5-inch memory foam mattress, and we are going to cut it up to fit our space. Again, what we have is our back cushion here. We've got, again, basically 60 by 80, 59 by 79 officially on the thing. But so we're going to do one solid, consistent, full piece across the whole back here, and then another one across where in its closed position like this is basically 32 inches. So we'll cut actually a 31.5-inch little section there, and then this slides out. And so rather than have one big cushion the entire way, we're going to split this distance here into two, which will be essentially two 14-inch pieces that then can go as backrests over there when it's closed up and not in use. But when you pull it out, you can pull it halfway like this, put one down here, or if you want to slide it all the way out to the end, put both cushions in, you got a full queen-size bed. So that's the plan. Here's what we got inside. Let's take a look at the actual mattress outside. Our mattress. What kind was this again? Oh yeah, Lucid. It's a Lucid brand right there. Put that down. Lucid, costing only about 130 bucks. 5-inch memory foam. As you can see, it's got the 1-inch layer above the other 4 inches underneath. But basically, that's what we got. So I'm going to lay it out here for the cutting with a Sharpie, and then we'll be doing some cutting. So here's how we lay it out. Again, this is looking at it the way it would sit on there. We've got our 31.5 inches here. 23.5 inches on the end down here, 31.5 over on that side, and then our two essentially 14-inch by like 56-inch pieces for our backrest slash bed extension parts. So let's do it. All right, so 23.5 marked out here. Lay it out with a straight edge and a good Sharpie, and then over there we got 31.5. And that leaves two long rippers here that are 13 inches essentially by 56, a little strong 56. So you got them laid out. Now what I've done is I put a couple of blocks of wood down underneath here to gap so that the knife doesn't slash up everything underneath. But we got the classic thrift store find, a perfectly good Hamilton Beach electric knife. Barely used, looks like it was probably used one Thanksgiving or something, and if that. So these things work fantastic. They cut right through it like butter, as they say. So let's do it. All right, so we got our knife ready to go, got our power, got our lines cut. So voila, clean and straight, just the way we like it. Alrighty. That's with one cushion in and the pull out halfway. So, yep, got that in full queen size. So we get some covers on, and it's gonna look like an actual lounge slash bed.